Hi everybody, Maci here. So whether you like it or not, back to school season is upon us, at least here on YouTube. So today, I will be sharing with you guys 100 plus school related video ideas that you can incorporate in your own channel. One more thing, I am running a back to school giveaway, so if you are interested in entering, I will have it linked up here. Let's get started. A school supplies giveaway. What's in my backpack? This can also be applied to what's in my binder, what's in my sports bag, and what's in my emergency bag. Back to school essentials. Things you should do before you start school. Things I wish I knew before blank. So high school, college, joining a particular sport or a club, taking a particular exam such as APs, GCSEs, A-levels, filling out your college apps, and majoring in blank. A bullet journal plan with me school edition video. Differences between high school and college. Back to school outfit ideas that are dress code approved. Blank buys my school outfits, and it could be like your sibling, a significant other, a parent, and so on. A back to school lookbook. Back to school makeup tutorial. Get ready with me school edition. Hairstyles for back to school. Back to school life hacks. Testing back to school life hacks. School morning life hacks. School night life hacks. Struggles during the first day of school. Annoying things people do at school. Different ways to style your uniform. DIY school supplies. DIY notebooks. DIY locker decor. DIY dorm room decor. DIY backpack. Gym class hacks. How to get straight A's. Study tips or hacks. Favorite YouTube channels for studying. How to deal with stress. How to take aesthetic notes. How to not procrastinate. How to stay motivated. How I use my planner. How to style blank. How to make friends at school. Ways to make money at school. Ways to save money at school. Types of high school/college students. Types of friends you have at school. Types of people during back to school shopping. Types of people during the first day of school. Types of people during finals week. Types of teachers/professors. Things everyone does at school. Routine videos such as your school morning routine, school night routine, school day routine, kind of like a day in my life, after school routine, or your study routine. Week in my life video. How to get an internship. Internship tips. How to get into blank college. How to balance school and a part-time job. High school/college mistakes to avoid. College move-in vlog. Decorating my dorm room. Dorm room tour. Dorming hacks. Dorm organization tips. Things I wish I brought to college, like in your dorm. Clothes to bring to college, especially if you're living on campus. Instagram followers control my first day of school. College roommate hacks. Meet my college roommate. How to choose classes for college, and this could probably work for high school as well. Best phone apps for high school/college. After school snack ideas. Meal prep school lunch ideas. Healthy snack ideas for school. What I eat on a school day. College you versus high school you. High school you versus middle school you. Freshman year versus senior year. First day of school versus last day of school. Expectation versus reality videos such as the first day of school expectation versus reality, DIYing your school supplies, last day of school, or just taking your exams. Awkward situations back to school edition. High school/college bucket list. Back to school supply shopping. Whether it's a now versus then, shopping with thrifty parents, or an expectations versus reality. Back to school organization tips. Back to school thrifting. Ugly location photo challenge but at school. Your favorite school related films. How to stay healthy as a student. Things I was wrong about high school or college. Back to school Q&A. Things I tell my freshman self. Your current school playlist. Would you rather school edition. Reliving middle school or high school or college for a day. A second a day for a year, but just of your school year. Basically a parody of any of these videos. Back to school video ideas. So that is basically it for this week's video. Hopefully you found it helpful, especially if you are planning on creating a school-related video within the next couple weeks, or you just needed ideas on what type of videos you may want to binge watch. You guys know the drill. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can do so by clicking on that subscribe button down below. and be sure to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye!